Hi, this is Teena Stewart with Serendipity Studio, and I'm actually at Studio Bev right now, and we are going to do a resin pour onto my canvas of white trees, which is mounted on a board. So I just wanted to kind of show you the process that we go through for that. So we're pouring the resin on right now onto the top layer, which is canvas. It's actually got texture paint on there and actually some twigs added for a little more texture. So we're just going to have to let that flow onto the board, which is on the background. All right, I think so this is a heat gun, and we're getting rid of the bubbles at a low temperature, I guess, or yeah. You just go over the whole thing several times. Takes about 45 minutes for this to set.